Hello and welcome to Pabbly. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up webhook in ERPNext and capture the webhook responses from ERPNext in your Pabbly Connect workflow. So here you can see I've created an automation workflow inside Pabbly Connect. And in this workflow, in the triggers tab, I'm going to search for ERPNext and just select it. After selecting ERPNext in trigger event from this dropdown, select the trigger event of your choice. You can see a list of different trigger events offered by Pabbly Connect. Let's say I want that whenever a new document, a new lead or a new contact is inserted in ERPNext, I want to get those details inside Pabbly Connect. So I will be selecting document inserted as the trigger event over here. After selecting a trigger event, Pabbly Connect gave us a webhook URL. Now we are going to add this webhook URL in ERPNext. And to add this webhook URL, we just have to follow the instructions given below over here. Just copy the webhook URL from here and then just go to your ERPNext account. So this is the home page of my ERPNext CRM ERPNext account. And after coming to the home page, from the left sidebar, we will just scroll down and go to this integration section. After coming to integrations, here you can see this option of webhook. Click on webhook. And here you can see a list of all the webhook URLs which I have added in ERPNext. To add a new one, just click on this add webhook button. And then here the first thing it asks us is the naming series. That by what naming series you want to name this webhook. So I have this naming series named as hook dash hashes. So this is the naming series I'm selecting. Then it is asking us for the doc event. So here in this dropdown, you can see a list of different events. After insert, on update, on submit, on cancel, and a lot more. So let's say I want that whenever a new lead is inserted in ERPNext, I want to send those details to Pabbly Connect. So here I will be selecting event as after insert because we want to send the details whenever a new data or a new lead is inserted. After selecting the doc event, it is asking us doc type. That on inserting of what type of document or what type of data we want to send the details to Pabbly Connect. So in this dropdown, you can see a list of different things. Let's say I want to send the data of a new lead from CRM. So here in doc type, I have searched for lead and we are going to select lead from CRM over here. So what we have done, we have selected the doc event as after insert and the doc type is lead. This means whenever a new lead will be inserted, after that, the data of that new lead will be sent to Pabbly Connect. After selecting this doc event, we will scroll down and we don't have to add anything in this webhook trigger section. We will scroll down further and here under webhook request, it is asking us request URL. Now here in this field of request URL, we have to enter the exact same webhook URL which Pabbly Connect gave us. Just copy it from here and then paste it over here. After pasting the webhook URL, here in request structure from this dropdown, we have to select form URL encoded. And then here in request method, we have to select post over here. After selecting the request method, it is asking us for the webhook security. We are not going to make any changes. We are just not going to select this option. Then here in webhook header as well, we don't have to add anything. And we will come to this webhook data section. Now here, we have to select the data. We have to select the details of this event which we want to send to Pabbly Connect. So we have selected the event as a new lead being inserted over here. So after inserting a new lead in ERPNext, what are the details of that lead we want to send to Pabbly Connect? We have to select that data over here. And to select it, just click on this add row button. And after that, just click on this field name. And after that, here from this dropdown, you can see a list of different data, different fields over here. Let's say I want to send the name of the lead to Pabbly Connect. So I will be selecting full name over here. Now, after name of the lead, I want to send the email as well. So I'll just click here. And from this dropdown, I will be selecting email. Then let's say I want to send the mobile number. So from the dropdown, I'll select mobile number. Then I want to send the gender of the lead as well. So I'll be selecting gender. Then I want to send the job title, so I'll be selecting job title. And in this way, by clicking on this add row button, you can select any data. You can select any information of that new lead or of that particular event which you want to send to Pabbly Connect. So for now, I've just selected these details over here. After selecting webhook data, what we have to do? We just have to click on save. So after adding all of these data fields and selecting the doc event and adding the webhook URL, click on save. And as we click on save, you will see this webhook URL is now added in our ERPNext account. After adding this webhook URL, whenever a new lead will be inserted in ERPNext in our Pabbly Connect workflow, you will get the response. And right now in our workflow, you can see it is showing us waiting for webhook response. This means Pabbly Connect is also waiting for some response, some details from ERPNext. So let's do it. We will go to our ERPNext account and I'm going to add a new lead over here. So I'll just go to the home page and then go to CRM section. We will go to lead and we are going to add a new lead over here. So let's say the salutation is, for example, Mr. And then after selecting the salutation, let's say the name of this lead is test user. This is the name of the person. After that, the job title is, for example, developer and the gender is male. After selecting the gender, for example, the lead source is Facebook, I will be selecting, or what you can, so you can just go for reference. Then the status is lead, and then we will scroll down further. We will add the email address as well. So this is the email address of this lead which we are adding in ERPNext. We don't have the website. This is a dummy mobile number of this lead. So in this way, we have entered the details of this lead in ERPNext. Now after adding these details, we will just click on this save button, and as we click on save, we will see a new lead is created, a new lead is inserted in ERPNext. And because we have added the webhook URL in ERPNext, we will see instantly within seconds in our Pabbly Connect workflow in this triggers tab, you can see we have received the response. And in this response, you will see the details of that exact same lead. We have the same name, we have the same job position, same gender, same mobile number, and also the same email address. So whatever webhook data we have selected while setting the webhook URL, all of those details of that new lead is received inside Pabbly Connect. So in this way, you can set up the webhook trigger inside Pabbly Connect. In this way, you can add webhook URL from Pabbly Connect in ERPNext and get the details from ERPNext in your Pabbly Connect workflow and automate your process as well. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day. If you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can email us at support@pabbly.com or post it on our forum over here. Or you can write us in the comment box below too. If you want to check out the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. And if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Pabbly. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.